In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change all PowerPoint fonts at once. If you've ever finished a presentation and then decided the font doesn't quite fit, you know how painful it can be to update every text box slide by slide. The good news is, you don't have to. PowerPoint has a built-in feature that lets you switch fonts across your entire presentation in just a few clicks, and that's exactly what we'll walk through together. Start by opening the PowerPoint presentation where you want to change the fonts. Make sure all the slides you care about are in this single file. If you have multiple versions, it's a good idea to save a backup first, just in case you want to compare the before and after. With your presentation open, look toward the top of the window at the main ribbon. You'll see tabs like Home, Insert, Design, and so on. Click on the Home tab if it's not already selected, because that's where the tool we need is located. Now, look for the editing group on the far right side of the Home tab. Inside that group, you'll find an option called Replace. Click on Replace, and from the drop-down, choose Replace Fonts. This opens a small dialog box that controls the font swap. In the Replace Fonts window, you'll see two drop-down menus. The first one is labeled Replace. This is where you choose the font you want to get rid of throughout your presentation. When you open this list, PowerPoint will show you the fonts currently used in your file. Pick the font that you want to change. Next, move to the Width drop-down. This is the new font you want to apply instead. Click the drop-down and scroll through until you find the font you'd like to use across all your slides. Try to choose something that's easy to read and fits the tone of your presentation. Once you've selected both the font you're replacing and the font you're switching to, click the Replace button at the bottom of the dialog box. PowerPoint will automatically scan your entire presentation and update every instance of the old font, including titles, body text, and most text placeholders. When it's done, quickly flip through your slides to make sure everything looks consistent. If something feels off, you can undo the change right away and try a different font combination. This simple feature saves a huge amount of time and keeps your presentation looking polished and unified without tedious manual edits.